Happy Monday. Today I'd like to put a little magic into your next listing conversation. Every great listing appointment begins with asking great questions. So the first thing we want to remember is where the seller's coming from. Whenever someone sells a home, there is a certain amount of stress involved, and you really need to know where they're coming from. The best way to do this is to ask about their past experiences. Have they sold a home before? Was it a good experience? If it was, have them tell you what they liked the most. If it was not so good an experience, have them tell you exactly what they would change. These will really give you clues as to how what expectations they have of you, and exactly the steps that you need to lay out in your strategy for selling their home. The second question that you need to ask is, do you think that selling a home is easy or difficult? Third, how long do you think it should take to sell your home? And lastly, how much negotiation do you think happens when you sell your home? The answer to these questions will really help you, and I think will transform your listing conversation with a home seller. If you'd like more information or more tips on how to have a great appointment with a home seller and walk away with a listing and a great relationship, just shoot me an email or send me a text. I'd be happy to help. And as always, have a great real estate week.